Narrated Aba Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, "While I was sleeping, I saw in a dream that some people were displayed before me wearing shirts, of which some were reaching up to the breasts only, while others were even shorter than that. And Umar ibn al-Khattab was displayed before me wearing a long shirt which he was dragging." The people asked, "How do you interpret it? What is its interpretation, O Allah's Messenger?" He, the Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, "It is the religion."